Well, I have been bowling since I was 10 years old. My grandfather would pick me up every Sunday when we lived in South Carolina, Charleston area, and we'd go bowling. So he got me my own bowling ball and a bag from a yard sale. And then I ended up joining the bowling league for kids and got my own shoes and got my own bowling balls. And I just have pretty much stayed bowling over all those years. And I'm in leagues here. And I'm also on the national bowling team for the U.S. Virgin Islands, which is a fun fact. So I always wanted to have my own lanes, so we ended up deciding to put this facility together. So if you want to check this out, we have all the shoes in different sizes. And then in here is actually a drill press that I can use to actually put finger holes on my own bowling balls. So I did get certified for the pro shop, but then I didn't drill many balls, and so I kind of forgot, and so I need to go back for refresher training. But I have all the equipment and everything here to be able to measure your hand and be able to drill out your own bowling ball, including right here. These balls are cracked, but check this out. So you can actually change the surface of a bowling ball by taking these sanding pads or polish to change the surface. So this is kind of cool. I saw somebody else who had done this like this, and we actually got real bowling lane material to make all these shelves, and then we set the ball spinner, flush mounted, which is kind of cool and takes up less space. And then we're actually set this up as a training center. So you can see these cameras here are positioned to go straight back to these two lanes. Then there's cameras on each of the walls that go like this. We can actually have a coach who will be remote, like back stateside, that can give us some training. And so it's a pretty neat setup, and it's probably got the technology that would rival really the top training centers for bowling in America, just like what Team USA uses. So we haven't actually done too much of the training yet. Need to get started with that. But we have all the tools here to have some fun and also to train to be better bowlers.